Welcome. If you're someone who loves sharing photos and moments on Discord, but you always forget to save those camera uploads to your device, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to automatically save every photo you upload from your camera straight to your device. This is the updated method, so you'll have the latest steps at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open up Discord on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight into your user settings. Now, scroll down until you spot the option labeled Chat. Tap on Chat to open up a new set of settings specifically for your messaging experience. Here's where the magic happens. Within the chat settings, look for a section called Camera Uploads. Right underneath, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Save to Device. By default, this might be turned off, which means any photo you upload from your camera in Discord isn't automatically saved to your phone or tablet. To fix this, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. That's it. From now on, every time you snap a photo and upload it through Discord, a copy will be saved directly to your device's gallery or camera roll. No more losing your favorite moments or having to manually save each picture one by one. This feature is a real time saver, especially if you're active in group chats or servers where you're constantly sharing updates, selfies, or snapshots. Plus, it ensures you always have a backup of your photos, even if you delete them from Discord later on. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing on Discord.